going on?
I have more. Oh, wait.
I know.
Hello?
Oh, hi, Mom.
Oh, damn it. Get off the phone.
Mom, you're tying up my phone line. No, it's just me and Julie upstairs. Mom, no, God! Mom, I'll call you back in like half an hour. No, Mom, I don't want to go to the mall tomorrow.
Oh, what if they tried to call?
I mean, I was only on for like 2 seconds. Should we call them?
No.
I mean, didn't Jeff say he was gonna call when he got off work?
Who knows? I mean, we could try by and see if he's still working.
We could.
But then he would call while we're gone.
Oh, yeah. We really need pagers.
Wait. Let the answering machine pick it up and make it look like we aren't home.